Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to solve this longest zigzag path in a boundary tree. So let's read the problem statement. A zigzag path of the boundary tree is defined as the follows. You are given a root. So basically, we have given a root. This one, P node root, and we have to find the longest zigzag path. So okay, so zigzag is like this. If you take right. Then in the next move, we have to take left, then again right, then left, something like this. And I have already solved this problem, as you see in the submission form. I have solved in C, Java, JavaScript, Python, and Java with different approach. So I will explain you Java code. So let me copy. So let me explain you something. So this is our given function here, public int longest zigzag pattern, and this is our helper function and max length, and this is our global variable max length for finding the maximum path length of the path. Basically, you can say that, and from which we are starting from the left root, basically left of root from here. It's moved to here in this function. When we call this function first time, it will start from moving here, and in the second function we are putting right, it will start from here. So let me explain you this function little bit. So it will see first check the if the root is null, it will return nothing. This is the void function, and our max line is 0. And in the second line, the max line equal to the math.max. And here we are checking the max line and the current length. Basically, we are here finding the current length here. And if the direction, that means the current direction is, so we are putting here left. So it will move here left. And then it will call again this function. This is basically a recursive function. So it will call again this function with the left again, move to left, and in the next node it have to go right, so it is putting it right here, and the current length plus 1, this is basically 0 plus 1, that is 1 now. So it will come here again, and it first check if the root is null, so it will return 0, but right now we have root is not null. Then it will come here and check max length and the curl which is the maximum. So right now the curl is maximum. So it will update to 1, and it will come again here. It check if direction is equal to left. But right now we have the put the direction right. So it will come to the else condition, and it will call this function first. That is root dot right. Okay, we have to move right, and putting the left, basically the opposite, and current plus 1. So if you remember, we have current 1 previously, and now adding 1. That is currently is 2. When we come here, currently is 2, and it will check the root is null or not. And it will go this type of thing. It will follow this process again and again, and we will find the max length. So let me explain this part again. Uh, So this is why I'm calling this function two times. So suppose one time I have to go right, and there is also a left node, and my according to my condition, I have to take right. But if we take left, which is not here, suppose here left, we will get the maximum uh, length of path. So for that time, we are updating our current part to 1. Basically, we are not adding the current part. We are starting from again from 1, taking this one. From starting 1 to it will again start from 1. I hope you understand. And I have solve this problem in a different language, C Java, and I will add this in the solution, which you will find in the description box, and I will put also the question link in the description box. So I hope you like this video. If you like, please like and subscribe, and please comment what you feel. Anything you can comment. Thank you.